it's Friday morning, it's about 10:30 and I am just about to go on a little adventure. I'm heading out to Abbotsford now. I'm going to be doing a helicopter ice cave tour with a company out there and I'm so excited. I'm absolutely buzzing if you can't tell already. It's my blog's 2-year anniversary next month, and so I thought I'd just do something really cool to kind of celebrate and mark the occasion. And yeah, I figured a helicopter tour is a good, fun, adventurous thing to do. So yeah, it's going to take me about an hour to get there from Vancouver, and I think the tour is going to last a few hours. I'm all tugged up. I've got my big winter coat, I've got my snow boots on because I think it's going to be very cold up there. I'm doing this on my own this time, so Matt's away on the island on a work trip, so this is a solo trip. But yeah, I'm so excited. I've just arrived and Nick's given me a little brief. And this is the helicopter that we're going to take out. That is so cool. Just arrived at the ice cave. This is what it looks like. There's Nick over here. Inside this ice cave. Don't fall. You can go in for about 100 meters or so. I'm just about to have a spot of lunch. Nick's setting up a picnic. This place is literally, I'm lost for words. It's so beautiful. We're absolutely in the middle of nowhere. I think Nick said he's the only person that comes here, so yeah, it feels very exclusive. Just taking a few photos and I think we're gonna head off soon. This is seriously, it's just so beautiful. It's been such a fun day. Are we going straight back? Oh, we're gonna stop somewhere. just finished up the tour. I'm back in the car and I'm a little bit windswept, my hair's a mess. But today was so much fun. Oh my god, I enjoyed it so much. Nick, the pilot, was amazing. The views were just incredible. The ice cave was so cool. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. The only way you can get there is by helicopter, which is awesome. So Nick will literally just go out in the helicopter and explore and find new places, which is really, really cool. I've never been in a helicopter before either, so it's kind of just a weird sensation. Like, it feels almost like you're floating. It's not like you're moving. I don't know. But yeah, that was cool. And the weather, thank goodness, was nice. We did have one difficulty. Basically, my camera just stopped working. So if you do notice a difference in quality, then that's why I'm having to use my iPhone now. But we did get some really good shots on Nick's camera anyway, so that's good. But yeah, I'm really happy. And I think that was a pretty awesome way to celebrate 2 years having my blog. So if you like the look of the tours and you do want to go check them out, the company is called Compass Heli Tours, and I will pop a link in the description box down below. They offer all sorts of tours in summer and in winter. They have a few different types of helicopters, so yeah, the tours are really, really fun and I really recommend them. I think I'm going to leave that vlog there. My feet need thawing out, so I'm going to have the heating on full blast on the whole way home. But I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, as normal, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. I'm hoping to do more vlogs in the coming months, so yeah, don't forget to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.